Hi, my YouTube friends. Today I will show you in this video a beautiful kitchen spoon holder. This spoon holders is very colorful, beautiful designs. I hope you are like this video and enjoy this video. This kitchen spoon holder decor your kitchen and dining table. In this spoon holding ideas is very unique for my beginner friends and my Croatian working people. If you like my video, support my channel and my work. I try my best to give you a good videos. Your appreciation and support and comments, it's very important for me. I'm very happy to read your comments. All my friends can benefit from this video of them. All those friends who are interested in Croatian work can choose colors and designs by watching this video. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing Croatian business can also benefit from it. I'm trying to good videos for you. I need your help and appreciation and support. If you like the video, please give me your opinion. Let me know and like my videos, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye. Take care.